Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. While checking this Northern Technologies Incorporation, it is a surge arrestor. While testing this device, I opened it and I separated this one module. It have a series of TVS diodes, bidirectional TVS 5KP22CA bidirectional TVS. So all of them are series. It is normally used in 220 volt RMS, 50 to 60 Hertz, and it will arrest 500 volt peak. It is for surge protection. While testing, I found all these TVS diodes good. There is no short circuit between them. We can check TVS for short circuit. If anyone is short circuit, it will be detected visibly, or we can select using continuity. If anyone will short circuit, we will find continuity across its terminals. But finally, when I checked it, in each 14 TVS diodes there is a one fuse. So it is three parallel sections here. Each section starting from here, one TVS, then second 22 volt TVS, and all TVS are in series here. From here to here, one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here we have fuse. When I checked these thermal fuses, I found this fuse open. This fuse is open. Might be there was some surge which damaged these two fuses. This one is good. So one fuse is good. The other two are damaged. This is damaged. So these are push fitted. You can see other all TVS diodes are fitted in the PCB, but these are removable. If we check these two, in this board it have two. This one is good. This one is good. Basically its status indicator was no go. So I found these two fuses open circuit. This one is good. Other all components are looking good. I will remove one TVS. It is using 5KP22CA. It is bidirectional TVS. It is used in AC, so it is CA. It is bidirectional TVS. If anyone will short circuit, it will give beep. It will give tone. If it is showing open circuit, that means it is working. We can test it for more surety. We can test by applying voltage. I have a video on my channel. The number is visible on the screen. You can use that method and you can test functionally this TVS diode by applying voltage. Now I will arrange these two fuses. I will replace them and I will install this module in the board and it will work. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.